So this video is going to be a tutorial on how you can install SSD in your laptop yourself. I'll install a WD-SN550 NVMe SSD into my HP Omen 15 2017 variant. The procedure to open the rear panel of the laptop will be the same for most of the modern laptops. Let's get this video started. So we'll start by opening the rear panel of the laptop. Make sure you completely shut down the laptop before opening it. In order to open the rear panel, you will need a toolkit like this. You can find this kit anywhere, offline or online. We'll start by opening the screws. In my case, all screws are visible and can be found easily, but for some laptop it can be hidden under these grips, depending on the form factor. So check the user manual or search online before pulling out the panel hard, and make sure to keep the screws safe as they are very tiny and gets invisible easily. Okay, so these two screws won't come off as they are fixed in the panel, but you will hear a clicking sound when they are completely unscrewed. After removing all the screws, you can pull out the rear panel of this particular laptop this way. Keep the panel aside. As you can see, I have already installed the SSD, but I will show you how you can do it. But before actually installing or uninstalling any hardware, it's always a good practice to remove the battery first to prevent any damage. Let's remove the battery to completely cut the power. So this is the SSD. SSD also needs to be screwed properly to ensure uninterrupted connection. Unfortunately, some manufacturers do not provide screws with the SSD, so you will have to arrange it by yourself. So this is the hard disk of the laptop. If you are willing to upgrade the hard disk as well, you can install a 2.5-inch SSD which will fit the case with ease. Let's put the battery back in place. I will also upload a detailed guide video in which I will discuss about the types of SSDs. Make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload any video. Now let's put the panel back in the place this way. Make sure the panel gets locked completely, tighten up the screws and it's done. I have installed the OS and let's boot up the laptop and see the boot time. It is the first boot after the installation, but still you can see the difference. Alright, that was all about the video. Do share and subscribe and I'll catch you in the next one.